Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's going to be another cool night. We're down into the 40s, 40 to 45 for your low temperature. But as quickly as we have chilled down tonight, we're going to warm up very rapidly come tomorrow. And it's going to be another day of very dry air. And a lot of harvesting is going on right now. You've got spring wheat, you have corn, you have soybeans, and this is kind of a modeling of that crop dust all over the Midwest that really turned our sky really hazy and kind of pale this evening. And you can see the harvest dust as the cutting of the beans and shelling of the corn continues right through Friday and into Saturday. A lot of what's causing this much dust anyway, because you get dust anyway from it, but it's just so dry right now. There is so much abnormal dryness and drought that those crops are crispy and tender, and we just have a lot of dust being produced. Also, we have a lot of fires burning in the plains, prairie fires burning, also forest fires reigniting in parts of the northern Rockies because it's so warm and so dry here. That smoke is headed our way. A little bit starts to come in later tomorrow. And then it especially gets in here on Friday. You can see the orange. That's pretty thick dust. And then, like I showed you during the little tease there, some smoke makes it down to the ground Friday and Saturday. So our air quality not the best in the coming days. Dusty and 77 tomorrow. Winds out of the east-northeast after the cool start. 73 to 80 will do it for highs. We were 74 yesterday, 80 today at the Purdue Airport, forecasting 77 tomorrow. High is 79 here at Attica, but 74 at Logansport. Friday's a warm day, 81 to 85, smoky, hazy, dusty, the wind cranking up, the fire danger high, the air very dry, but 83 degrees for your high during the day. Low to mid 80s should do it area-wide. So for us, we're fine. I mean, it's clear for a little while, but Milton will exit the Florida Peninsula tomorrow pretty rapidly, actually. In fact, by later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, it's mostly clear. Still pretty stiff northeast wind, but we will be in cleanup mode across central and south Florida. For us, we have a strong cold front that comes through Saturday night, and there could be just enough moisture for a few very hit or miss storms. Only about 30% coverage, but we could get a few out of this as the front goes through, and there's enough shear, enough dynamics for an isolated severe storm or two. We'll keep an eye on it, but that moves on, and then it's just much cooler weather coming in from the north with the frost and the freezing coming next week. And yes, you can see here, again, if we can get just enough moisture, and these storms may be a little high-based, or kind of like what we see in the high plains. They're hit or miss. They'll be high-based, that is. They don't produce necessarily a lot of rainfall, but they could produce some lightning. And you can see here with the shear, the severe cast kind of lighting up. This would be kind of a marginal risk sort of situation. So the normal high is 68, but look at that, 83 on Saturday. The record's 87. 69 then starting to fall Sunday afternoon. Look at those numbers. 50s, real fall weather coming Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Frost and freezing at night. And then with rapidly just this explosive fall color developing after that, we're back to the 70s at the end of next week.